Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down the psychological horror hidden in a simple game, hide and seek. So let's jump in. The game's simple, right? But what happens when someone else breaks the rules? And this is the core conflict, right? The game's simple rules clashing with a terrifying new reality. It all starts with the thing that sparks the fear, the uninvited player. And you know what? It only takes one extra player to change everything, turning safe spaces into something scary. What's really interesting is how these players appear. They're mysterious, silent, and just watching. It's creepy. And these silent watchers tap into a core fear, the violation of safe spaces. Let's look at an example. You see how methodical that is? They turn a familiar home into a maze of fear, one room at a time. In another story, it's even more direct. First a strange rope, then a figure at the window. And here's the thing, when you can't see the threat, every single sound gets magnified. Classic tension builder. Just imagine hearing that from behind a closed door. It hints at someone there, making your imagination go wild. Then you've got these footsteps in the woods. They don't belong to any of the players. It's terrifying. And that sound? It's a direct invasion. It turns a simple window into a focal point of absolute terror. So what happens after? Well, the psychological impact sticks around long after the game is actually over. And a lack of answers is key. It makes them question their sanity, which is a whole other kind of terror. And that's really the big takeaway, isn't it? The game just reveals how fragile our sense of safety really is. So it leaves us with this question. What's scarier? These stories suggest it's the unknown, not the reveal.